Thank you very much for having me here at the Investopia. We've been one of the early participants in the Investopia since its inception. I think so this particular platform brings in a lot of value add for not just organizations that are based here in UAE, but also all those companies who come from internationally to participate. Investopia, true to its name, is really bridging the information gap, the technology gap, the investment gap, and the financial gap between UAE and the rest of the world. It's bringing in a lot of participation from across the world who today sees UAE as one of the strongest destinations of investment. True to its name, Abu Dhabi being the capital of capital. I think so this is one reason why Investopia has been continuously holding this event here in Abu Dhabi. Now, Lulu Financial Holding has started its inception since 2008. We are present in across multiple geographies. We are present in 10 countries. We are present in entire GCC. We are present in the subcontinent where we have operations in India and Bangladesh. And we also have operations in Asia Pacific where we are present in Philippines, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Malaysia. The main core activities of the Lulu Financial Holdings involves investment in cross-border platforms, fintechs. We also invest in micro-lending organizations. We also have investments in digital banks. And we also look at investment in new age technologies that can really effectively bridge the gap of customer experiences across the countries that we are present inside. Currently, we cater to around 2.5 million customers on a monthly basis. Averaging and aggregating as of 2024, we contribute to moving close to $19 billion across the territories that we are present inside. We're one of the largest and the strongest players when it comes to cross-border payments across the GCC region. Now, GCC holds the number 2 and number 3 positions when it comes to the cross-border space internationally after the Latin America and the US countries as such, So I think so what we see here today, earlier it was just a market where a lot of expatriates used to send money outside because they come here for their livelihood. But today we have seen that evolve in money going not just for home maintenance, but also for investments and the future elements. Here what we also see that the use of technology and the attraction of many companies to come into UAE to pilot their platforms here in the market has made UAE one of the most hottest fintech startup ecosystem. The customer base in UAE is a very progressive customer base. The beauty of UAE is to the factor that we hold around 200 odd nationalities that are present in UAE today. And the beauty of that is that we get to understand the different language of understanding a customer base of 200 odd different nationalities. So for any new fintechs that are wanting to launch their product, UAE is an ideal ground because they get to understand over 200 nationalities, their needs, necessities, and their the usage pattern. So this is a very important aspect for many fintechs, and that is why they've been attracted to UAE as a market. On a global basis, we have around 370 odd physical touch points, and in UAE we have around 140 odd customer engagement centers. But the element of a customer engagement center is an age-old concept today. We use these concepts to familiarize the digital aspect to us. The whole aspect for Lulu Financial Holding is to use technology such as blockchain, such as AI, to further enhance the customer usability. At the same point of time, make the customer experience journey more simpler so that, with a click of button, they're able to transact volumes and they are able to understand the needs of the necessity of the beneficiary as well. Around 140 odd customer engagement centers that we have here in UAE as such, The beauty of this market is that we have a very progressive central bank which looks to adaptation of technology. I think so this is something of a unique nature that we find. It's about progressively adopting the existing businesses to further look into the future needs of adaptation of technology and use of technology to further enhance both compliance, regulatory requirements at the same point of time by not diluting the customer experiences.